Hello, we're taking a look at this 3-bedroom apartment in Wrigleyville. About a block from Wrigley Field. So come on in, take a look. We're on Grace and Seminary. This is the living room. It's got hardwood floors. Nice view outside of the street. Gets very good sunlight. Pan around here. So come on in, we'll take a look. There's 3 bedrooms here. Here's bedroom 1. Got a great big closet there. Plenty of room here for a queen or king size bed. Alright, we're going to walk down the hallway here. It's a long apartment. Here's bedroom 2. Same thing. Closet. Nice little countertop over there. Plenty of room for a queen size bed in here. Okay, we're stepping out. Here's a hall closet. A lot of closets in this apartment. Here's the kitchen. So take a look. We got a dishwasher, nice stove, sink, oak cabinets, lots of counter space, big refrigerator, nice tile floor there. The rest of the apartment is all hardwood floors. There's another closet in the hallway. And here's the bathroom. This is a great big bathroom. Nice tub. There's a toilet over there. Lots of room for a counter space. Nice big window there. A lot of sunlight. And then back here, you see this is where the very long apartment. Here's the biggest bedroom. This is a great big bedroom with a big closet over here. Lots of sunlight. And then out through here is the back porch. It's evening tonight, so it's not as bright. It's coin laundry downstairs. Look out here. And Wrigley Field is just a block over there. You can also grill down here, grill down in the grilling area down there. So that's what's going on out here in Wrigleyville at this great 3-bedroom apartment.